El Salvador is a small Central American country with a rich culinary tradition. The cuisine of El Salvador is characterized by its use of fresh and flavorful ingredients, including corn, beans, chilies, and tropical fruits. In this article, we'll explore the traditional dishes, ingredients, and influences that make up El Salvadorian cuisine. Traditional dishes. El Salvadorian cuisine is based on simple and hearty dishes that have been passed down through generations. Corn is a staple in El Salvadorian cuisine, and it's used in many traditional dishes such as pupusas, which are stuffed corn tortillas. Pupusas are usually filled with cheese, beans, or meat and are typically served with a side of curtido, which is a pickled cabbage salad. Another popular dish in El Salvador is yuca con chicharrón, which is fried yucca root served with fried pork belly. This dish is often accompanied by a tomato-based sauce called salsa roja. Other popular dishes in El Salvador include tamales, which are steamed corn dough filled with meat, vegetables, or cheese, and sopa de res, which is a beef soup with vegetables and herbs. Pupusas are the most famous dish in El Salvador, and they are considered a national dish. Pupusas are made from masa, a dough made from cornmeal, and are filled with various ingredients such as cheese, beans, and pork. Pupusas are traditionally served with curtido, which is a pickled cabbage salad, and a tomato-based salsa. Pupusas can be found in many restaurants in El Salvador and are also popular in other Central American countries. Another popular dish in El Salvador is ceviche, which is a dish made from raw fish marinated in lime juice and seasoned with onions, chilies, and cilantro. Ceviche is typically served with tortilla chips or crackers and is a refreshing and flavorful dish. Influences on El Salvadorian cuisine. El Salvadorian cuisine has been influenced by various cultures throughout history. The country was colonized by the Spanish in the 16th century, and Spanish cuisine has had a significant impact on El Salvadorian cuisine. Spanish dishes such as paella and tortilla española are popular in El Salvador, and Spanish ingredients such as olives, garlic, and saffron are often used in El Salvadorian dishes. Indigenous cuisine has also had a significant influence on El Salvadorian cuisine. The indigenous people of El Salvador were skilled farmers and hunters and were known for their use of corn, beans, and chilies in their cooking. These ingredients are still a staple in El Salvadorian cuisine today. African cuisine has also had an impact on El Salvadorian cuisine. African slaves were brought to El Salvador during the colonial period, and their cooking techniques and ingredients were incorporated into El Salvadorian cuisine. For example, fried plantains are a popular side dish in El Salvadorian cuisine, and they are believed to have been introduced by African slaves. Ingredients in El Salvadorian cuisine. El Salvadorian cuisine is known for its use of fresh and flavorful ingredients. Some of the most common ingredients in El Salvadorian cuisine include corn. Corn is a staple in El Salvadorian cuisine and is used in many dishes, such as pupusas and tamales.